This is Jada. Jada is a scientist who's opening the first STEM store in the country. She's in business with two of her friends, Kaden, who is a musician and technologist, and Kayla, who is an artist and engineer. Let's see what's happening in the STEM store today.
Hello, this is STEM Store.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Fergus, and I'm calling because I visited your store yesterday and I saw some lovely things there.
Oh, okay.
But I have a request for you. I would like to find out if I could get a toy for about 120 children in an orphanage that I help in Sandy Grande. And they are aged from 0 babies to teenagers about 16. You think you could help me?
I have an idea and I'll get back to you with some more info. Can I call you back on this number?
Yes, I hope it came up on your phone. This
Yes.
is my number.
Okay.
Well, I'm so glad that you can help me.
No problem.
I'll
no
appreciate
problem.
it. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
So, how are you?
Good. And you?
I'm good.
Okay.
So, I got a call from a customer the other day and they work with these kids around the ages 0 to 16
Yeah.
and they want to know about a toy.
Okay.
They want something cheap. So I want to know if you have like any ideas, like what we could do for them.
A perfect thing. It's called a twirly gig. Ever heard of it?
No, a twirly gig.
Yeah, twirly gig.
Sounds interesting.
Some about $2.
$2. That's very good. Very
Okay.
good. Reasonable. So let me call her and I'll get back to you about it. Is that
Okay,
good?
No problem.
Okay. Bye. Have a good day.
Okay. Bye.
Later that same evening.
Hello.
Hey Kayla.
Hi, Jada.
How are you?
Good. You just call me.
So I'm getting back to you about the toys for the lady. I had an idea that you could come to my store and show me how to make the toy, the twirly
That
gig.
makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye.
Welcome back, everyone. I am Maureen Clement, and this is episode 3 of the We Say Yes Hour. Welcome. I have here with me today Kayla Lewis, who is an artist and an engineer, and she's going to talk a little bit more about STEM and the STEM store. Welcome, Kayla.
Hi. Glad to be here.
So you are an engineer.
I am.
So what's that?
Well, I work in the field of engineering, which is a form of science specifically created to deal with structures. And engineers can deal with chemical structures of atoms and molecules, physical structures like buildings and machines, or invisible structures such as energy or numbers. And there are 6 main types. So there's chemical engineers who deal with food and medicine, civil engineers who deal with buildings, roads, bridges, etc., mechanical engineers who deal with machines, electrical engineers who configure electricity, computer engineers who program software using numbers, and aeronautical engineers who deal with flight.
And which type are you?
I'm a mechanical engineer, but I specialize in toys.
Toys?
Yeah, toys that move.
Oh, okay. And so you're also an artist.
I am. I like to design a lot of stuff.
So how do these two things go together, engineering and art?
Very well, actually. You wouldn't believe how much so.
Well, I know about STEM, science,
Yeah.
technology, engineering, and mathematics. How does art fit into that?
Well, STEM has recently been expanded into STEAM. So art has a rightful place between engineering and mathematics.
STEAM.
Yes, STEAM. And in some circles, it actually been stretched even more into STEAM. So reading has now been integrated and it has a place between technology and engineering.
Why is this?
Well, learning is learning and it's all integrated. We gather information mostly through reading, so it makes sense, you know? Reading is how everything gets into our brains, and engineers use it all the time. Honestly, everybody should be reading all the time. Art represents culture, you know? It includes all forms of art, music, dance, drawing. So engineers use the arts in order to make their structures more appealing, enhance it.
Oh, so if everything is integrated, do you use the science and the technology in engineering as well?
Of course. Engineering is a science, and science is about experiments. You make a prediction or a hypothesis, choose a method, do an observation, and then come up with a conclusion. And engineers experiment all the time. Technology also uses different processes. You do research, make an analysis, create a design, and solve a problem by creating a prototype. We also use that in engineering too.
I didn't know this.
Yeah, well, educators have realized that we learn better when everything is mixed together because that's how the real world is, you know? So with that comes the power of STEM, STEAM, STEAM, all of it. When everything is integrated or put together, the different disciplines or areas of study teach us how to create new concepts and ideas that will help us to innovate or create new stuff easier.
Wow, that's interesting.
So, just a question for you, you know. Did you notice that Jada had a little musical setup with the steel band?
Yes, I saw that.
Yes, well, that will fall under A for arts.
Oh, and she has a reading corner too. I saw that.
Yes. See, catching on that stream right there.
Yeah. So I understand that you will be teaching us to make a toy today.
Yes, I am. It's called a Twirly Gig. Don't know, probably never heard of it, but
No.
I'm sure you heard us discussing.
Yes, I did.
Well, it's really simple to construct. It shows the E and A of STEAM because we are doing craft, which is arts, and we're also building a structure, which is engineering.
All right. So let's get to it then. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. It was my pleasure.
Great. So tune in next week. We are going to be looking at the M in STEM, STEAM, STREAM. Have a good day. We say yes.